Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and elegant paper flower simple craft project that's perfect for decorating your home, events, or gifts. It's super easy to make, requires only basic materials, and looks stunning when finished. So let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need white cardstock or thick paper for durability, a pair of scissors for cutting, glue or a glue gun to stick the pieces together, a pencil and ruler to mark, and optional tools like a compass for precise circles. To start, draw and cut out petal shapes of different sizes: small, medium, and large. I used around 20 to 30 petals in total. The larger petals will form the outer layers, and the smaller ones will fill the center. Make sure to cut them neatly for a polished look. Next, slightly curve the petals for a more natural appearance. You can do this by rolling the edges of the petals with a pencil or curling them by hand. This step adds dimension and makes the flower look realistic. Now, start gluing the petals together. Begin with the largest petals and arrange them in a circular pattern to form the base. Gradually layer the medium and smaller petals on top, working toward the center. For the middle, you can add thin strips of paper rolled or fringe to create a realistic flower center. And there you have it, your beautiful paper flower is complete. It's an easy